Shrubbery Nightingale Park, nestled on Jawahar Parbat in Darjeeling, is a serene and scenic public park that offers a peaceful retreat from the bustling town centre. Once the private courtyard of a British colonial bungalow, the park has transformed over the decades into a beautiful landscape garden. The garden featured manicured lawns, walking paths and panoramic views of the Eastern Himalayas, including the majestic Kanchenjunga on clear days. One of the park's highlights is a large statue of Lord Shiva with an artificial waterfall and pool, adding a spiritual charm to the setting. The park also features an open-air stage where traditional Nepali cultural performances are held during tourist seasons, especially in the evenings. Bordered with shaded benches and surrounded by pine trees, the park is ideal for quiet reflection, photography, or simply enjoying the mountain air. Affordable entry, proximity to Mall Road, and its scenic ambience makes Shrubbery Nightingale Park a must visit for both tourists and locals looking to unwind amid nature.